Here is the sign for say. Okay, simple and straightforward. Use your dominant hand. I'm right-handed. We're just going to stick up our index finger, like you're pointing at something, right? Now, use the inside part of the tip of the finger and tap twice below your lower lip. Say. From the side. Say. From the other side. Say. From the front again. All right, from the rest position, sign with me. Let's do say 3 times. Say, say, say. Use your index finger of your dominant hand. I'm right-handed. Inside part of the tip of the finger, tap twice below your lower lip. Say. Okay, we just talked about how to sign say. Here is the sign for tell. Okay, use your dominant hand. I'm right-handed. Make the index finger. Aha! It's just the pointer finger, or we could say the number 1. Take the inside tip of the finger, put it on your chin just below your lip, your bottom lip, and just drop it down. Tell. Tell. From the side. Tell. Other side. Tell. From the front again. Tell. All right, starting from the rest position, sign with me. Let's do it 3 times. Here we go. Tell. 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 Okay, you may be thinking, this seems kind of similar to another sign, say. Well, you tell me the difference. First, I'm going to sign tell. Tell. Okay, now this is the sign for say, like to say something. Okay, notice the difference? Tell and say. All right, so the main difference is tell starts here and just drops out, comes out, right? And say, you're just tapping your chin twice. Say. All right, so here we're focused on tell. So index finger, inside part, put it right here, drop it out, bring it out. Send it out there. Tell. Okay, we just talked about the sign for tell.